Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at Publix because we're about to get into some super duper good deals this week. If I have a little sleepiness in my voice, it is because I am at the store much earlier than usual. I had to get on and come up here today because we have a serious moneymaker and I wanted to make sure that I was able to find these products. So if you have a sale that starts on Thursday, go on ahead and make your way to the store early. So we're going to be doing this Splenda deal first because it is a fantastic money maker this week. These are buy one get one free as low as $4.99. We're going to be grabbing the liquids. I'm going to show you that for $4.49. I'm going to show you that in my cart. I already put them in there, but these are buy one get one free, and we're going to be buying a total of 8. So I have picked up a total of 3 of the Splenda Stevia because we have a limit of 3 on our bottle for this $2.50 rebate. And I have picked up a total of 5 of the Splenda regular liquid because we have a $2.50 rebate with a limit of 5. So we're going to get back $2.50 times 8 from Ibotta for the Splenda. But we also have $3 manufacturer coupons that I'm going to be using in the 1/7 save. So you guys, this is already fantastic. So the total for all 8 of these is $35.92. Let me focus. When we divide that by 2 with the sale, we're going to pay $17.96 for these 8. I have $24 in coupons with the 8 $3 coupons. But then I am going to submit to Ibotta for 8 times $2.50. So let's minus out 2.5 times 8. This is going to be a $26 cash moneymaker, you guys. Yes, y'all. Next that we're grabbing is on the Quaker oatmeal. So these are buy one get one free for $3.91. Fetch Rewards is currently giving back $1 on each box. That's gonna make my final cost just 95 cents per box. Next item I'm grabbing is the body armor. So I'm gonna get the ones that are $1.66 normally. These are buy one get one free this week, so 2 will be $1.66. We have $1 off of 2 digital coupon. That'll make our final cost just 33 cents each. This deal on the Body Armor Sports Water might be my favorite deal this week because I can't remember a time when we got free alkaline water. So these are buy one get one free for $1.99. And then Ibotta is giving back $1 on each bottle. So you can pick up 2 for $2 but get back $2 from Ibotta, making them completely free. So since I live in Half BOGO, I'm going to go on ahead and max this deal out and get 5. And if you have this $2 digital coupon, this coupon works on these single bottles as well, which will turn this into a $2 moneymaker. And thank you to my sis Tea Time for pointing out that this coupon attaches to these. I use that $2 coupon on a single bottle of the Hydration IV because it attaches to these as well. That makes these only $1, and the IV hydration attaches to our body armor bonus. Next deal I'm grabbing is the Sara Lee honey wheat bread. 2 loaves are buy one get one free for $3.99. I had 85 cents back on Fetch Rewards, which made 2 packages of bread just $3.15. I'm also going to grab some Motrin this week. These are buy one get one free for $10.99. There's a couple different ways that you can do this deal. I'm going to pick up a total of 3 of them, but you can just pick up 2 if you want to. If you pick up 2, that'll total you up to $21.98 before the sale. Divide that by 2, it'll be $10.99. Use this $5 digital coupon. That'll bring you down to $5.99 for 2 100 count boxes. Now I'm going to be adding in a 3rd one because I plan on submitting to Activate Rewards. But after the buy one get one free sale in Half BOGO, this is going to be $16.48. I have a 5 off of 20 or 5 off of 15 digital coupon for Johnson's. I'll put it up on the screen, but I'll save $5 for picking up these 3. I'm also going to be using 2 $2 paper coupons for the Motrin. That should take off $4. I'm hoping the $2 digital will come off as well. If so, I'll pay out $5.48 at the register, but then I'm going to submit over for this Activate Rewards rebate for $10 back when I spend $30 on these products. With that $10 back, these 3 should be free, plus a $4.51 moneymaker. And I'm hoping that this Activate Rewards rebate works as normal. Normally it tracks on the price before the sale, so it'll give me credit for the $10.99 items. But as always, your mileage may vary with rebates, so definitely read all of the fine print, but I think we should get back $10 for this deal. Next up, I'm grabbing the I Can't Believe It's Not Butter. So these are 2 for $4.99. Since I live in Half BOGO, I'm just going to pick up one for $2.25. Use the $1 digital coupon and it'll be $1.25 for one of these. If you live in Half BOGO, you can pick up one package of this Kentucky Legends ham. So the diced ham is $1.79 after the buy one get one free sale, so they're $1.79 a piece. Use that $2 digital coupon, one pack will be completely free. If you live in True BOGO, you want to pick up 2 packs, use that $2 digital coupon. Your final cost will be $1.59 for 2. But these products were on a really good deal, so they're buy 2, save $5 instantly. They're normally priced at $9.99. So when you buy 2, that's $19.98. Save $5 with the sale, that's $14.98. And then you have $6 coupon, so we got the $6 coupon that'll bring us down to $8.98. So you pay out $8.98, submit over to Ibotta for $4 in cash back. It'll make your final cost $4.98 or $2.49. The Ensure shakes are on a similar deal, so these are buy 2 get 5, but I don't think we have an Ibotta rebate for these. So you can pick up 2 of these for $21.98. Save $5 with the sale, that'll bring you down to $16.98. Use the 7 off of 2 manufacturer coupon, that'll bring you down to $9.98 for 2 of them, or $4.98 each. I hadn't planned on grabbing this silk almond milk, but when I saw these coupons, I decided to go on ahead and do it. So I picked up 2 of these. These are $3.69 each, regular price. But after this $1.50 Blinky coupon and $1 back on Ibotta, the final cost was just $1.19 each. I'm probably going to come back and do this Deer Park water deal, but I did not want to do it today because I honestly just did not feel like carrying water. But this is a really good deal to get stocked up on water. These are 2 for $8. You want to pick up a total of 4 of them to get to $16. We have a brand new $5 off of 15 digital coupon that will make your final cost $11 for 4 of the 25 packs, or $2.75 each. We also have a rebate, like a $5 rebate when you spend $15 on these on the manufacturer website, but that says that it's after coupon, so I'm not sure if 4 will be enough to qualify, but do keep that in mind. So I tried to do an experiment with this Quilted Northern deal that did not work out. I ended up having to run back and go get another pack, and the experiment that I tried to do was picking up 1 of the 6 count and 2 of the smaller packages that are buy one get one free this week to see if this Georgia Pacific digital would attach to these 3 packages. It did not. I had to run back and get another package to make that digital come off. But in my second transaction that I did, I just picked up 3 packages of the smaller packages, the buy one get one free. It worked out well. So that is how you want to do this deal. Pick up 3 of these for buy one get one free if you were in Half BOGO. Of course, if you're in True BOGO, if you're in Florida, you're going to need to pick up 4. But picking up a total of 3 of them, that'll be $11.23 after the sale. After your $5 digital comes off, if you still have that, it'll be $6.23 for 3 packages of Quilted Northern. That makes these only $2.07 each. Now, I decided to keep the other package of Quilted Northern, the 6-pack that I got, because I feel like it's still a really good deal. These are on sale, 2 for $12. We have a $2 digital that does apply to these, making it only $4 for the pack. I'm not grabbing this deal on the Springer Mountain Farms chicken right now, but I probably will come back and do this. These are on sale. They're around like $7 to $8 a pack for the chicken breast. And we do have a $1.50 manufacturer coupon that works on this, so you can get some additional savings on your chicken breast. I'm not grabbing this deal on the Kettle and Fire bone broth, but these are as low as $7.29 BOGO, and we do have $1 back on Ibotta. So you can grab 2 of these for $5.29 after the Ibotta rebate. Since I had so much free money with the Splenda this week, literally between both of the transactions I had like $52 in free money. I did grab some additional BOGOs in my second transaction that I did not have a coupon for, but the money from this Splenda did completely pay for them. One of the ones I got was the Tyson. These bags of chicken are $9.99 BOGO, so each one is $5 each. I also grabbed some of these Welch's 6-packs on BOGO. So these are around $2 and some change each, just depending on which one you get. And I also grabbed some Thomas Swirl bread for completely free with the BOGO sale as well after that Splenda overage. So everything worked out great. This is everything that I picked up in my first transaction. I did 2 transactions today so I could really maximize this Splenda money that we have. But on my first transaction, all of this in this cart cost $39.81. I got back $32.50 from Ibotta. I got back $2.85 from Fetch Rewards. And then of course I submitted over for my $10 rebate, which should make this cart a $5.54 moneymaker when that rebate comes back. And then on my second transaction, all I did was pretty much the same deals, but I just added in some more BOGO items that we needed and let that Splenda pay for that. So I paid $18 and some change for the second transaction that I did, with $27 back from Ibotta. So that is it for my Publix deals this week. Quick and easy, you guys, and we are out the door. Money, money, money this week, especially if you get insert coupons. Maximize that Splenda money to pick up the items that you need, and definitely get stocked up on body armor this week. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. If you have not already, I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.